Hi everyone. I warmly welcome you to the online learning application. In this video, my major objective is to analyze past papers based on the management accounting part in your GCE advanced level examination paper. As you know, in the first lesson, we have learned that accounting can be categorized, reclassified into two major parts as financial accounting and management accounting. Management accounting based on different criteria. So today our major focus is to learn about the management accounting. In GC advanced level examination, in your syllabus, you will find five major subject areas in related to management accounting. They are number one, material costing. Material costing. In material costing, you will learn about economic order quantity, maximum inventory level, minimum inventory level, and more subject areas related to material costing. Second one is labor costing. Number two, labor costing. In labor costing, you will learn about pay sheets management and more subject areas related to labor costing. Third one is absorption costing. In absorption costing, basically you will learn how to prepare absorption cost analysis sheets and absorption cost rate. Number four, the fourth part in this management accounting is marginal costing. Marginal costing. In marginal costing, you will learn what is variable cost, what is fixed cost, what is contribution, how many units to be produced to make in the firm to the break even point. And the last subject area related to management accounting is capital investment analysis. Number five, capital investment analysis. So in this video, we will analyze five past papers based on these five major topics we will learn in management accounting. So here we will use 2016 GC advanced level paper, 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay, students, now we are going to analyze GC advanced level papers from 2015 to 2019, and here we are going to analyze five past papers. Basically, we are going to analyze only the second part of the advanced level accounting paper, and now we are going to analyze how many marks we'll find in each paper related to material costing, labor costing, absorption costing, marginal costing, and capital investment. And we are going to find how many total marks will be allocated to management accounting part in your second part of GC advanced level accounting paper. And then we can come into conclusion what is the portion or what is the percentage which will cover management accounting when compared to financial accounting in your syllabus. Okay, we'll start with 2019 GC advanced level paper. 2019 paper is the most recent paper which we can find when related to past papers. We'll start with 2019 second part. 2019 part 2. When it's come to material costing, you will find one question in part 2, that is question number 2, part B. Question number 2, part A, not part B, is part A. it will carries 16 marks. 16 marks. However, you will not find any question related to labor costing in 2019 paper, and you can find a question carries 24 marks. 24 marks in related to absorption costing, which is the question number 2, part B. When it's come to marginal costing in 2019 paper, you will find a question carries 20 marks, which is question number 5, part B. And capital investment also, you have one question, which question number 6, B, carries totally 10 marks. And in 2019 paper, it covers 70 marks out of 200 from management accounting part, which is almost 35% from the total paper marks. And now we can move to 2018 part 2. When it's come 2018, you can't find any question related to material costing. And when it's come to labor costing, you will find one question, which is question number 4. But under question number 4, you have to answer number 2 to find labor costing part, which carries 5 marks. Which carries 5 marks. When talking about this question, the total question carries 15 marks, but as per the marking scheme, it allocates 5 marks for question number 2, which discuss about the labor costing. When it's come to absorption costing, you will find a question carries 10 marks, which is question number 2, part B. Question number 2, part B. And when it's come to marginal costing, you will find question number 7, which carries 15 marks. And finally, capital investment also you can find a question carries 5 marks, which is the question number 5, part A. Question number 5, part A. And altogether, in this paper, 2018 second paper, you will find total 35 marks out of 100. 35 marks out of 100, which also carries 35% of the total paper. Now we can move to 2017 part 2. When it's come to 2017, you can find a question for material costing for 5 marks, which the question is question number 7, part A. And also you can find a question related to labor costing in 2017 paper, which is the question number 4, part A. Question number 4, part A, which carries 5 marks. When it's come to absorption costing, you will find a question in part 2, 2017 paper, which is the question number 2, part B, which carries 10 marks. And you will find a marginal costing question also in 2017 paper, which carries 10 marks, which is the question number 7, part B. Also, there is a question for capital investments, which is question number 6, part A, which carries 5 marks. Altogether, in 2017 also, you can find 35 marks out of 100 in total paper, which is 35% of total marks allocated to paper 2. When it's come to 2016, you can't find any question related to material costing in part 2 of your accounting paper. And you can find a question 6, which is question 6A, which carries 5 marks related to labor costing. And also, you can find a question for absorption costing which queries 10 marks, which is the question number 2, part B. When we move to marginal costing in 2016 paper, you can find a question for 10 marks, which is question number 5, part B. Question number 5, part B, which carries 10 marks. And also you can find a question for capital investment which carries 5 marks, which is the question number 5, part A. And when it's come to total marks in 2016 paper, we can find 30 marks, total 30 marks out of 100, which represent 30% of the total marks allocated to paper 2. Now finally we are going to analyze 2015 part 2. In 2015 part 2, you can find a question in related to material costing, which is question number 4, part A, where you can find 5 marks to that question. However, you will not find any question related to labor costing in 2015 paper. But when you move to absorption costing, you can find a question for 10 marks, which is question number 2B in this paper also. And when it's come to marginal costing, you can find another question for 10 marks, which is question number 5, part B. And finally, capital investment question also there for 5 marks, which is question number 7A. And when it's come to total marks, in 2015 also you can find 30 marks out of 100, which represent 30% from total marks allocated to paper. If you clearly analyze this sheet, you can find 3 major subject areas which repeatedly test each and every year. They are absorption costing, marginal costing, and capital investment lesson. What are? First one, absorption costing. Second one, marginal costing, and capital investment analysis. So during this course, you can learn absorption costing, marginal costing, and capital investment in coming sessions. Thank you.